Hi, I'm Prakyat, an HMS developer from Huawei India Research Center. Welcome to Develop with HMS Core. Today, I'm going to explain about Huawei ImageKit and show you the integration steps. ImageKit provides smart image editing, designing, and animation capabilities for your application. It also provides image rendering service for 5 basic animations and 9 advanced animation capabilities. We are going to integrate Image Vision SDK for 24 unique color filtration. Now, let's start coding. Go to Console, App Gallery Connect, and open My Apps. Click on New App, enter the relevant information, select Add to Project, and click OK to create a project. Go to My Project, select Manually enter the package name. Enter the package name and save. Set the data storage location. Add the SHA-256 certificate fingerprint for your application. Then download agconnectservices.json file. Go to Android Studio, add agconnectservices.json file under app directory. Verify the package name that was mentioned in App Gallery. Go to Android, open the project build.gradle file, add the Huawei Maven repository in repositories and class path. Once it is done, open the app build.gradle file, add AgConnect plugin and Huawei ImageKit Vision dependencies. Go to main activity.class, initialize all the view and required runtime permissions in onCreate. On click Initialize Service button, obtain an Image Vision instance and call setVisionCallbackListener to check whether service is initialized or not in onSuccess and onFailure callback method. Now click on Picture button, choose the image from the gallery and on activity result, set the image onto image view. Click on Submit button, set the filter type, intensity and compress ratio for filtering the image. Make sure you call the getColorFilter API in the background thread. For calling the filter API, you need to specify the bitmap of the image to be processed and the filter effect and set the filtered image on image view. To stop filter service, call the ImageVision API.stop method to stop the ImageVision service and clear all the data. Let's try it out. To do that, open newly installed ImageKit application, tap on Initialize Service button. If code is showing 0, service has been initialized. Tap on image to select the image from gallery. As per the requirement, enter the filter type, intensity and compress rate. Tap on get result and filter result will be shown. Tap on stop the service and there you go. You have now integrated Huawei ImageKit Vision SDK service into your app. Well, that's all for today's video. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments area below or visit Huawei developer website and be sure to hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.